to sell services on Squarespace. Follow these steps to set up a professional service-based website. Create a Squarespace account. If you haven't already, sign up for an account at squarespace.com and choose a template that suits your business needs. Set up your service pages. In the Squarespace editor, create a dedicated service page to list the services you offer. You can use a services section or create individual pages for each service, providing detailed descriptions, pricing, and booking information. Add the service block. On the page where you want to sell your services, click Edit and then select the service block. Add the title, description, and image for each service. You can create multiple blocks if you offer different services. Set up payment processing. Navigate to Settings, Payments to connect a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal. This allows clients to pay directly from your site. For service-based payments, initially set up a clear pricing structure or use Squarespace scheduling for booking and collecting payments in advance. Offer booking options. Use a Squarespace scheduling feature to allow customers to book appointments directly on your site. This feature integrates with your calendar and payment system. Publish and promote. Once everything is set, click Publish and promote your service pages through social media, email marketing, and SEO to attract customers.